35th and Riverside.
When she's not catching criminals, this cop is on Paw Patrol. Officer Gretchen Byrne has rescued over 60 stray kittens. This member of South Florida's finest swaddles the kitties in blankets and feeds each by bottle. She also pays out of pocket for vet checkups and neutering. Officer Byrne uses social media to find her stray's foster families and forever homes. The rescue mission began 2 years ago, and she has no plan to abort. She's not called the cop who loves cats for nothing. Be sure to watch Inside Edition.